For all parts and components along with tools that I've used, please check the description. These are all affiliated links and it will help me out tremendously if you use them. Alright, so I've got the motor soldered up to the ESC and the servo is soldered into channel 1 of the receiver. Now the two signals, the motor is of course going to channel 2 and the lights are going to channel 3. Now I'll have the battery hooked up to channel 4. Alright, so I finally have everything soldered up together. And let me just go over the components real quick. We have the receiver with the built-in gyro here. And I try to shorten the wiring. So this is the ESC. And of course, if I run the LED taillights and the headlights, it's basically going to have to be stuck like this. I can't remove it because of the way, because of the LED lights that need to be glued on. So I'll put a wiring diagram up here just so you can see how I wired everything up together with the ESC and the receiver. I usually like to put a connector here so I could attach the battery and detach it quickly. This is how I wired up my components to the ESC and the receiver. The instructions for the ESC and receiver is good enough to, if you follow it, you will be able to wire it up just like how I did here. So this 3.7 voltage battery can not really keep up with the demand of the gyro along with the motor and servo and also the lights. So with just about 5 minutes of playtime, the battery will run out, and so I'm losing power to the motor.